Have you been struggling with your brand online or growing your business? Here is why your brand might not be working. The first thing might be inconsistent visuals. Your colors, your fonts, and your style should be the same everywhere. The second thing, maybe your brand doesn't have a clear message. If people don't get what you do instantly, they'll scroll past. Another thing is trying to please everyone. If you're targeting everyone, then most likely, and trust me on this one, you are reaching no one. The last thing is weak brand personality. Your brand should feel like a person with a unique vibe. Branding isn't just about having a logo. It's about how people feel when they see your brand. So, how do we fix it? It's simple. Number one, define your brand personality. Is it professional? Is it a luxury brand? Is it fun? Make it clear. The next thing, pick a consistent color palette. 3 to 5 colors maximum. Choose the right fonts. Your fonts should match the vibe. And kindly please, no Comic Sans. Have a strong brand voice. The way you talk online should match your brand's personality. Do you see the difference? Branding isn't just design, it's strategy. And when you get it right, people remember you. If your branding feels all over the place, don't worry, I can help. Drop a fire emoji in the comments and let's fix it.